Okay, Thursday, the 11th. Quick rundown of commodities here. Here's the CRB index, double bottom, possibly here on a daily. The spread between Brent oil and U.S. oil is widening again. And so I don't know what it costs to ship the oil from America to Europe, but there might be some arbitrage there. U.S. dollar continuation of the pullback here is looking for 95 this week, 95 and a half. Okay, next level down would be in the lower 90s here. The amount of washout in the end carry, to me, in my eyes, this is just a shaking of the tree. Good. This should be the last good shaking before we run up for the next 2 or 3 years and then into the recession. Like I said, I have a target of 2,400 on the S&P. We're only into February. We can go down another 100 points, 200 points, and then you get your snapback. I posted a chart today that had a really good snapback on a London stock. But that was the dollar here. So here's oil. This is listed as a daily. Snuck on through onto the downside here. Level, just daily levels. It says monthly up here, but it's actually a daily chart. List 2264 and 2499. Pivot is 2958. 3193, 3652, if that should happen today, because these do reset. I look at this, whatever slide you're getting into here, as far as you can go on contracts. I'm looking into 2017. After last year's returns for folks, you know, you should put things in perspective here. West Texas again on the daily. Aussie dollar. Continuation move with basically gold, but see if that sparks any more commodity related stuff. I'm noticing more folks, Canadians traveling to Australia. That's more of a linear or a lateral move. 170 currency for another 70 currency. British pound continuation upward to as it's been doing. Euro, a couple of topping areas here. As you know, I was playing the odd numbers from down here. 11, 13, I think 15 went up a little bit higher, and then 17, and then when we get to 17, then we'll discuss it for the 20s. But for now, there should be a pause up in this area. If you're long, do covered rights. Japanese yen, same thing, just it's unwinding of the end carry trade. This happened before. In '94, there was an unwind, and look what happened to the economy. China entered the WTO 95, and then off to the races, except for Japan, who went the other way. You can look at China as Japan of 1989 if you want to do some comparison for trade and excuse me, trade and credit. Swiss franc, same thing running. This is another send, a blessing here, just like with debt. Brent crude starting a sideways pattern here. When was that updated? Wednesday. Okay. Canadian dollar looks like a bull flag here. Cocoa still looks like it's pausing because it didn't make a good swing through there. Coffee, see if it's working on a larger sideways here, basing pattern. Copper came back down, could possibly be an inverted head and shoulders. Corn, kind of the same